Hello, welcome back. This is just a short quick video of some basic Linux commands. So I'll just show you some basic Linux commands and I'll show you how it works. So at first let me open the terminal, and here in this terminal the first thing that I'm going to write is uname space -a. This will basically give all the details of the laptop or the computer that we are using Linux on. This A, the particular A that we have written, stands for all. It will give us all the data of this computer. So if I press enter, you can see I have got all the data. I'm using Linux on Lenovo, I'm using Ubuntu, then I installed this on Thursday, November 15, and this was the time, and it was installed in 2018. So you got everything, every detail of the laptop or computer that you're using Linux on. Now if you want to clean all this, you can write clear and press enter and everything gets clear. Now the next thing we are going to see is how to create a file on Linux using the command prompt. Not command prompt, in Linux we just say it as terminal. So at first we'll write cd desktop. So what basically this will do is this will bring us to the desktop directory. Now you can see I have got this desktop. That means we are right now in the desktop directory. Now to create a file using this terminal, the first thing that we are going to write is touch, then give a space and give the name that you are going to give this file. For example, I'm going to give this file basic, and if I press enter, you can see I have got this file name basic. So that's really very easy to create a file. And one thing, after getting any complete knowledge of all these commands, I bet you will not going to create any file using this folder and all. You'll directly go to terminal and do all this stuff. Now, how to delete this file? So to delete this file using commands, I can write rm space, then the name of the file that you're going to delete. Say I'm going to delete basic, so I'm writing basic, and here rm stands for remove, because we're going to remove this file, so I have written rm space basic. So it's completely logical. Now if I press enter, you can see my file has got, it has got deleted directly. So that's how it works. Now I'm going to clear all this, and if I write clear, it'll get clear. Now, how to make a folder or a directory. Right now we saw how to make a file. Now we are going to see how to make a folder or a directory. So for that we'll write mkdir. So mk stands for make and dir stands for directory. As we're going to make a directory, so we wrote mkdir. So it's pretty logical. Now we'll give a space and give the name that we're going to give to this folder. For example, I'm going to give this folder a name PRACTICE. Now if I press enter, you can see I have got this file directly, which is named practice. That's how it's created. That's easy it is. Now how to remove this file? Before we just saw how we can remove a file, and now we are going to see how we can remove this folder. So it's exactly the same as before. I know you have guessed it must be rm something. Yeah, it's same. It will write rm, but we'll add dir here so that our directory gets deleted. After writing rmdir, rm stands for remove and dir stands for directory. And here we are going to give the name of the file that we are going to remove. So I'm going to remove the folder. So now if I press enter, then you can see my practice folder got deleted. So that's easy. That's super easy. Now let me clear these things first. Now the last thing we are going to is how to find the manual. Like there are tons and tons of these comments out there in Google or out there in the internet. You can go and search for it. But there is another idea you can find these comments. So in the terminal, if you write man space ls, man stands for manual and ls stands for list. Now if I press enter, I will get a complete list of these manuals or these commands. You can see this starting from A to Z, we have got all the commands here. So you can go and check it out if you are into Linux, if you're interested in Linux. And here you can see manual page, ls1 line 1 by 1237, 15%, press H for help and or Q to quiet. I'm pressing Q to quiet. Now I'm going to clear this using clear command and press enter, and everything gets clear. So that's it is. I hope this video helps you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and support me in this journey. I'll see you again.